how to use ASOS Fit Assistant. The ASOS Fit Assistant is an in-app and a desktop tool that can provide personalized size recommendation. What you want to do is open the ASOS app onto your device, and what you need is you just want to go to the product page. So let's say you just want to make sure to go in and select an item, and this is the one. When you go to this section, you just want to make sure to open this page in a detailed way. You could look for the size and all that. And if you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit, you could also go ahead and see fit and size. You could go ahead and select view size guide. Once you do this, you will be able to find the size guide as well. And likewise, if you scroll down a bit, you might also find the assistant, but this is considered to be the assistant itself. You could go to size and all that. Here it is. You want to tap open that up, and this way you could go ahead and look for the fit assistant as well. So likewise, the tool uses your past purchase and return to recommend the best size for your current item as well. And once you have entered your detail, your recommendation size will appear automatically from for further shopping as well. And this is how you're supposed to use ASOS Fit Assistant or find your size section as well. With that being said, we've completed the steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.